Here's an interesting little device from Belkin. This is it is a stand, a little dock for your phone, iPhone. It's using MagSafe. And what it does is got some smarts in it, capable of using your front-facing camera on your phone to track your location around the room. So it's basically kind of like a cameraman.
Like a swivel.
Like a swivel, yeah. But also up and down. Pan and tilt. Okay. Pan and tilt. And so everybody these days will. They're doing the dances. They're doing the TikToks. They're doing the instructionals, the yogas, the the fitness routines.
Sure. Mostly TikToks.
The TikToks.
Yeah.
I think I said that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are out there. Anyway, so you now have your own camera person for these processes. You plop this on there magnetically, which is nice. And apparently it's $65. But how about this? Maybe you're just following a recipe video while bustling in the kitchen.
Bustling?
Yeah, you're just bustling about. And you got the recipe on the thing, and it's following you as you move about. No? Yes? No?
Sure.
Maybe?
Does it work with the iPad? A bigger screen?
No, it needs MagSafe.
Probably not, eh?
A magnetic mount, yeah. Okay, couple problems with it.
Uh-oh.
That's right. A couple of problems would be that it relies on the Belkin app to record the video because it's using the front-facing camera for tracking, so the recordings go into that app. So that's okay if you're going to go post on some social media after, take the video file, upload it, but it's not okay for video conferencing, which would be really nice to do on here.
Oh.
You know how sometimes you might be moving about and trying to carry a conversation?
Yeah.
Or doing a presentation or something like this? Well, it's not going to work for that because if you were using FaceTime, Zoom, or Skype, you need to be in those apps.
Right.
So live streaming is kind of a no-no over here, but video content, there you go. Your own robotic camera person.